This is an overview of what comes in the kit for the jack port cover. You'll get 2 jack port covers, an installation tool, and an Allen wrench. You also get the supplied hardware, which is just a 1/4 bolt machine screw. And how to install this is pretty simple. It's going to come with a drill jig. So what this is going to do is slip into the port here. It can go either in the front of the wheel or in front of the vehicle, either side, front or rear, does not matter. Depends on how you want to install it. So this is the same diameter as the jack port VW cover. So you slip that in there. You're going to want to drill your hole. You're going to want to drill your hole with a 1/4 inch drill. So this will set the proper depth and height. Drill that hole, remove this, throw it away, keep it. I mean, it's kind of a cool little thing. Put your jack port cover in there, and then you're going to want to install your 1/4 screw that is supplied with the supplied Allen wrench. Just slip that guy in there. Now, some people want to put Loctite on here. If you're going to put Loctite, I would recommend you use the blue Loctite so you can get it off. In case you got to change the tire on the side of the road, it's not that hard. So you can tilt it up however you want once it's under there. And then tighten it up, snug it up. That's it. Make sure you throw this Allen wrench in your glove box. Keep that with you in case you got to remove this to change the tire. But it's a simple overview of this. Thank you.